What's going on, 3D print community? So today is a special day for me at least. This printer is finally ready. So this is a printer that I had commissioned to be built back in February, and we were hoping that it would only take about 2 weeks or less to build. And due to its prototype state and a couple of very small issues, quite literally 5 very small, easy to fix issues, can wind up taking months to iron out when you want it to be a reliable build as a producer and as something that you're intending on or going to sell to someone else. So this is a printer here that I ordered for myself, but I do have a client that is wanting to pick it up. So we will wind up most likely selling this to him. There's still just a couple of things that we're going to get ironed out on this, but it is otherwise ready to go. So this has been in Tori's garage as he's been building it for a while, and I just got a hold of it now. So this is a 1000 by 1000 large format printer with a small build space. As you can see, like if you look at the edge of the build area to the edge of the frame, it is at least another inch or two inside this printer here, where this one, we've got a good like 4 inches. So we were able to take the space on the outside of this printer and reduce it considerably. This printer is taller, so this is a 1000 by 1600, so it's got another 60% in height on this one. But this one will get done the jobs that are at 3 feet, squared. And yeah, it is a pretty nice build. Still a prototype build, so we didn't dress this up or clean up any wiring or anything yet. We were actually printing the new case for it, but the client who would like this printer would like it sooner than later. So we're going to have to deliver it in its prototype state rather than spending another 2 to 3 weeks to fully dress it up. But yeah, I'm about to start printing on this guy. I'm rather excited about it. This has been a long time coming, straight up. I mean, it's a really nice build. I mean, these are some ginormous rails. You can see the thickness. It's thicker in my fingers. Same with our Quad Z. So this actually will have a 4-corner leveling, auto leveling, and then it'll do a bed mesh across the entire bed. We found that printing on aluminum works pretty decently. In our production models, we will have a bed platform that we'll use, probably some sort of like half sheet removable or maybe quarter sheet removable. So if you want to print something, that's only 250 mils, you could 250, boom, or whatever that would be, 500 mil. So it'd be a 500 mil by 500 mil by 500 mil over there. So we might do like a quad setup like that. But this is an excellent large format printer. These will be for sale. You can order them from me. So if you're interested and you're like, man, I need one of these, feel free to reach out to me. Email is 3dprintseverything@gmail.com, prints with an S, and we can spec you out whatever size printer you need. We're gonna immediately order all the supplies to build 2 more of these and get those built. I personally need one, and we will have another one for sale or to personally use until it does sale. But this should be a really nice setup. I'm really excited about it. Another one of the big differences between this one and the older style is this will be a Core XY versus that one being on Cartesian. What else? There's a couple more things. Like all these 3D printed parts will wind up being machined aluminum. These were just test fitted pieces. So the plan is to have all of that to be machined aluminum. But yeah, if you got any questions, comment below. Feel free to email me. This is, I just wanted to kind of share this moment. I have been waiting a very long time for this printer. So I'm excited to finally have it, and I'll definitely get some video of some of the first things we do off of it. We're going to run a test print either today or in the morning. It's kind of the end of the day. I was actually planning on leaving after this, so we'll probably test it in the morning so that I can watch it all day. And then after that test, we will start the customer's production run. And once that print is finished, the client would like to come and pick up his part and this printer. So I'm excited. This has been something that I just can't tell you how long I've been waiting for this. So hopefully everything works out really good with the printing and everything over the next couple days, and the client really likes the printer, because that will lead to more printer sales and more printer development. Our goal is to provide you a cheap, affordable, large format 3D printer. So we want to be reselling these. We haven't finalized the price yet. This one is probably going to be a $10,000 to $15,000 build. If we get a lot of orders and we have a lot of interest, we can make them cheaper and cheaper. It's just right now, if you're going to get a printer this big, it's going to be in the $30,000 to $80,000 range. So if you want, the only other options are to either build it yourself, which can take months and months and months, or you can have someone like us build it, and it won't take nearly as long, and you'll have our support. Especially if you're new to 3D printing and you haven't 3D printed anything before and you want a large format printer, it's a lot better to have an expert on your side, somebody who's been using large format 3D printers to give you support and help while using it. So that's what we are here for. That's what I am here for. And yeah, I'm really excited about this. I'm excited to see where this is going to go. If you didn't notice too, we have 4-corner Z-rails, so that bed is going to stay exactly where you want it to. Yeah, I'm just really excited about it. Tori did a really good job on this. It only sticks out just a little bit on that side with the wiring, but otherwise you're going to be able to put this into a corner or put a frame on it quite easily. And yeah, it's only going to get better from this. So we had our prototype. This is version 2, and version 2 will be a production run, and we'll come out with 2.2, 2.5, 3.0, and make changes from there. But yeah, let me know what you think. Comment, like, subscribe, share this with anybody who needs a large format printer, and I would be happy to help y'all out. Have a good day, guys. Talk to you soon.